Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Today is our physical health and fitness day, and we are focusing on one of the most important organs in your body, your heart. I'm going to share how to keep your heart healthy through the right exercise and food choices. But before we begin, let's take a quick recap. In our last episode, we explored how the heart works and why it's truly the engine of your life. We discussed how it forms, what happens if it stops, and the basics of keeping it healthy. Today, we take the next step, a practical, action focused guide on how to strengthen your heart with simple daily habits. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do every single day to keep your heart beating strong for years to come. Why exercise matters for the heart. Your heart is a muscle, and like any muscle, it gets stronger when you use it. When you move your body, your heart pumps faster, improving circulation and training your cardiovascular system to work more efficiently. Regular exercise lowers blood pressure, reduces bad cholesterol, raises good cholesterol, improves oxygen delivery to every cell, reduces stress hormones that can harm the heart. Think of exercise as most natural medicine you can give your heart. Best exercises for a healthy heart and why they work. You don't need a gym membership to protect your heart. You just need consistency. The key is aerobic exercise, which gets your heart rate up, strengthens the heart muscle, and improves circulation. Here are the best options and why they help. Walking briskly. Simple, free, and doable for all ages. Increases heart rate, improves blood flow, and lowers bad cholesterol while raising your good cholesterol. Just 30 minutes a day can reduce heart diseases risk up to 30%. Tip: swing your arms and keep a pace where you can talk but not sing. Swimming works your entire body without stressing your joints. Builds stamina, strengthens the heart muscle, and maintains healthy blood pressure. The water resistance gently but effectively boosts circulation. Cycling strengthens your legs and improves blood return to the heart. Burns calories efficiently, helping maintain a healthy weight. Can be done outdoors or on a stationary bike. Light to moderate strength training. Build muscles which burns more calories at rest. Helps control blood sugar, reducing heart strain. Use light weights or resistance bands 2 to 3 times a week. Yoga and stretching. Reduces stress hormones like cortisol, improves flexibility and balance. Certain poses like bridge and cobra encourage deep breathing and heart relaxation. How much is enough? Beginners start with 10 to 15 minutes a day. General health 150 minutes of moderate activity weekly, 20 minutes a day. Extra benefit: add 2 days of strength training plus 1 day of higher intensity exercise. Why food matters as much as exercise? Food is more than fuel. It's information for your body. The nutrients you eat directly affect your blood vessels, cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and even the strength of your heart muscle. Poor food choices cause inflammation, a silent damage process in your blood vessels that makes it easier for cholesterol to stick, narrowing arteries over time. The right foods can reduce inflammation, repair cells, and keep blood flowing freely. The best foods for your heart and why they will help: fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, rich in omega 3 fatty acids, which reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and help prevent irregular heartbeats. Omega 3 also reduces inflammation, keeping arteries flexible and open. Nuts and seeds, almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, chia seeds, packed with healthy fats, plant-based omega-3 and magnesium, which relaxes blood vessels. Support healthy cholesterol balance. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, collard greens, high in vitamin A, C, K, and antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your blood vessels from damage by neutralizing harmful free radicals. Vitamin K helps prevent calcium buildup in arteries. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, rich in antioxidants and polyphenols, which lower blood pressure and reduce artery stiffness. Their anti-inflammatory effect protects the inner lining of blood vessels. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, whole wheat provide fiber that helps lower LDL cholesterol, keep blood sugar steady, preventing insulin spikes that can stress the heart. Olive oil, full of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, helps lower bad cholesterol while protecting blood vessels from damage. Foods to limit and why they are harmful. Not all food is heart friendly. Some choices actively damage your arteries and increase your risk of heart disease. Trans fats and processed oils found in fried foods, packaged snacks, and margarines raise bad cholesterol LDL and lower good cholesterol HDL, cause artery inflammation, making plaque buildup more likely. Added sugars. Excess sugar causes weight gain and increases belly fat. Both major heart risk factors. Spikes in blood sugar lead to insulin resistance, which damages blood vessels over time. Excess salt, sodium. Too much salt raises blood pressure, forcing the heart to work harder. Over time, this thickens heart muscle walls and makes the heart less efficient. Highly processed meats, sausages, hot dogs, high in saturated fats and sodium, linked to higher risk of heart attack and stroke due to their combined effect on cholesterol and blood pressure. Lifestyle wrap up beyond food and exercise. A strong heart needs more than good diet and workouts. Lifestyle factors shape your heart health just as much as physical activity. Sleep well, 7 to 9 hours nightly. Sleep is when your heart rate and blood pressure naturally drops, allowing your heart to rest and repair. Poor sleep increases stress hormones and raises blood pressure, both harmful to the heart. Manage stress effectively. Chronic stress triggers the release of cortisol and adrenaline, which over time can stiffen arteries and cause dangerous heart rhythm. Meditation, deep breathing, and even a few minutes of mindfulness daily can protect your heart. Stay socially connected. People with strong social ties live longer and have low rates of heart disease. Emotional support reduces stress and encourages healthy habits. Avoid smoking. Smoking damages blood vessels walls and speeds up plaque buildup. Maintain a healthy weight. Extra weight makes your heart work harder and increases risk of high blood pressure, diabetes and cholesterol problems. Closing and motivation. Your heart beats about 1 lakh times a day. Every beat is a gift. With the right habits, you can make sure those beats stay strong for decades. In the next part, we will dive even deeper into heart disease prevention myths and facts so you can make informed choices for life. If you found this useful, like, share, and comment your favorite heart healthy habit. Until next time, stay healthy, stay active, and take care of your heart. Allah Hafiz.